Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video, and in this guide I'm going to show you a VPN app that helps secure your connection and adds an extra layer of protection while you're using the internet. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for Cord VPN. Make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon, then install it on your device. After installing the app, open it to begin the setup. If this is your first time on the channel, please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you need any help. When you reach the app's home screen, tap the three lines in the upper left corner. From the menu, tap on Update Config. This updates the app resources so it can work properly and securely. After the update is complete, select a network. For today's guide, choose all countries UDP. UDP is fast, secure, and works in most supported countries. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can tap here and select your country manually. Next, tap on Add Time. This is important because when the time runs out, the app will stop working. Adding more time allows you to stay connected and protected for longer. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet connection will be secure, stable, and protected. That's how you set up Cord VPN using UDP settings for a safer online experience. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. I'll see you in the next video.